Hi guys, welcome to another question on specimen collection and specialization. And the first question, define a biological specimen. B, state 6 apparatus or material used in collecting biological specimen, 6 marks. C, state 2 safety precautions to observe when collecting specimen, 4 marks. So you can pause the video first and attempt the questions. So question 1 was define biological specimen. So is a sample or individual example of a plant, animal, or a part thereof collected for scientific study or display. B, state 6 apparatus or material used in collecting biological specimen, 6 marks. First one is a putter, we have a pitfall trap, a sweep net, hand lens, forceps, specimen bottle or container. So if you are getting value from this video, then you can like, share and subscribe. So C says that state 2 safety precaution to observe when collecting specimen, 4 marks. So wear appropriate protective gear like gloves to avoid bites, stings or contact with harmful substances. Secondly, be cautious of the environment, such as uneven terrain, poisonous plant, or dangerous animals.